Here's how you create a default form in DHIS2.
We're going to follow this cheat sheet here. In my case, I've already created my category options and my data elements. I need to configure both of those things. So firstly, I'm going to go to my maintenance application. Ensure that you configure all your sharing settings for all your category options. I will do this and I'll skip this so you can do this for the ones that you're working on. Next, you need to create your category combinations, especially if you need them in your data elements. So in my data elements, when I search for NCD, to filter all the NCDs that I have created, I am going to go to edit, and what I want to do is I want to change the value to number and not integer. I will also add category combinations there to age group / gender. I will do these for the rest. I will speed through these so that you can just see the process. So I'm going to do the rest. So for now, I'm just going to speed through these. Something else that I also forgot, which you need to do, is you need to ensure that the form name has been entered. So enter the form name. In this case, this is one example. So you enter the form name for each and every data element. Once you're done creating all the data elements, ensuring that they follow the right value types and the category combinations, and you've entered the right form names, we can now go to our data sets. So we'll click dataset here, and then we'll press add dataset. The name that we want to give to this is this. Short name for this example, I'll just put NCD. For the code, I'll put NCD PAM to represent what it is there. I'm going to leave these details the same. Category combination, we could include them if we had a partner that we were entering here. What I'm interested in adding here is the data elements. So I'll try add them in this order. Don't think the order matters right now, but yeah. So I'll leave it there. If we had indicators, we could add them, and we're going to select bowl as the place where we can capture this data. And once we press save, we need to ensure that we give access to someone who can enter this. So we come to sharing settings here, and under public settings, we can capture and view. That's what we'll do. After looking at the sharing settings, we can now go to our data entry application. So we come to data entry, and here we're going to choose a data set, and the data set of interest is NCD. So that is there. The place where we want to capture the data is bowl, and we pick the previous month, and here we have our data set.
I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions about default forms in DHIS2, let me know in the comments.